Tag questions are small questions added at the end of a statement to check or confirm information. When a statement is positive, the tag is usually negative. The tag uses the auxiliary or modal verb from the statement and changes it to the opposite form. To form a question tag, first identify the auxiliary or main verb in the sentence. Then use the opposite polarity in the tag, which means if the statement is positive, use a negative tag, and if it is negative, use a positive tag. The subject pronoun in the tag must match the subject of the statement. Always end with a question mark. In positive statements, the tag repeats the auxiliary or main verb, but in the negative form. For example, she plays the piano, doesn't she? Or they are coming to the party, aren't they? This rule applies to many verbs and tenses. When the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. This is used to check or confirm information that is expected to be untrue or unknown. Examples include she isn't coming, is she, or you haven't finished yet, have you? There is an important exception with the phrase I am. Instead of using am not in the tag, use aren't I. For example, I am late, aren't I is correct. The forms am I not or amn't I are incorrect and not used in spoken English. For commands or requests called imperative sentences, the question tags are different. Use will or would in the tag, regardless of the positive or negative form of the command. For example, open the door, will you, or help me, can you? When using let's to make suggestions, the tag is always shall we. For example, let's go to the cinema, shall we, or let's start the meeting, shall we? This is a special tag used only in this type of sentence. Tag questions can be combined in various sentence forms to ask for agreement or confirmation. Examples include, but you don't really love her, do you? Or this will work, won't it? These examples show how tags work with different verbs and contexts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.